Welcome to Indian Odyssey Trips. This is our Chikmagaluru 2-night, 3-day package with doorstep pickup and drop from Mysore. After pickup, Mysore refreshment room is 150 rupees per person, paid directly to hotel. Then breakfast and we continue to Belur. In Belur, we visit the famous Belur temple, have lunch and enjoy Yagachi water sports, subject to availability and direct payment. After Yagachi, we continue to Chikmagaluru and check-in. Campfire and dinner depend on the selected stay, followed by overnight stay in Chikmagaluru. Day 2 starts with breakfast depending on the selected stay, then Mullayanagiri Peak, followed by a local 4x4 jeep ride to Jhari Falls. After Jhari Falls, we have lunch, visit Baba Budangiri, and finish the day with sunset at Hirekolale Lake. After sunset, we return to the stay. Campfire and dinner depend on the selected stay, followed by overnight stay in Chikmagaluru. Day 3 starts depending on the selected stay, followed by checkout by 9 am, then a local jeep safari to Hebbe Falls. After Hebbe Falls, we have lunch based on the schedule, then continue to Z Point for a scenic ridgetop trek. After Z Point trek, we continue to Kemmannugundi Sunset Point to enjoy the peaceful evening views across the misty hills. After Kalathigiri Falls, we start our return from Chikmagaluru around 4 pm. We'll have dinner on the way and reach Mysore around 10 pm. Thank you for choosing Indian Odyssey Trips. We look forward to traveling with you.